Audi R8.
Unleashing the power of Audi R8, a symphony of speed and style. Imagine the roar of an engine that echoes passion, the Audi R8, a marvel of engineering and design, ready to captivate. With its sleek silhouette and aerodynamic build, it's not just a car, but a statement, a blend of art and speed. Under the hood lies a beast, a V10 engine, ensuring every drive is not just a journey, but an adventure. The interior, a sanctuary of luxury and technology, designed to make every moment behind the wheel unforgettable. Experience lightning-fast acceleration as the Audi R8 catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour, leaving everything else in a blur. Every curve, every line of the Audi R8 is crafted for perfection, offering an unrivaled driving experience that stirs the soul. The Audi R8, not just a car, but a legend reborn. Join the legacy and feel the thrill of true power.
If you like Audi R8, like and subscribe to enter the fascinating world of cars.